In this video I will show you how to change the document size in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, select any size and create. Now I want to change this artboard size. First tip, go to artboard tool and double click, and here you can see the width, height, and change the size, and press OK. You can see the artboard size has been changed. Second step, go to properties and you can see the width and height and change here size, and OK. Third step, click the artboard tool and resize this. Easily you can change the size of artboard any document.